new, delete, create, and then after that you define what exactly. So you clear with the noun first, and then we have to define what exactly. So for an example, list all my application, list all my site collection, delete all my document management system, delete all my site collection. So it is work in a very, very similar manner. You will find that most of the command in Microsoft, they are going in a verb plus noun format. And this is what exactly this command is going to do now. So when I go and check this command, it is said that get what? SharePoint web application. And what is the magical word? Just press tab. It is going to display you all the possible combination after get. So for an example, when I come here, when I come to this cell and type here get and say slash s, and when I press tab, it is start going to show me all the options. Just look at that. What get? It is so easy that I only have to learn 10 verb. And what the 10 verb? Just like list, get, new, delete, create. And your complete command use only these 10 verbs. And then you only have to know and understand the noun. Noun you do not have to remember. Why I do not have to remember? Because if I know the verb, it is going to display me the noun. Means what service? Get what service? I say get site collection. Okay. Are you looking for a site collection? So I just type get only, right? Maybe I exactly do not remember the big name, what exactly my site collection name is in a SharePoint. So I can only type get and then press tab. And it is going to give me all the option, what is possible with the guest, what is possible with the list. So for an example, I want to run this command, and this command is going to give me everything here, which is called get web application. Within the web application, get all the sites, then show me in a table format. And what exactly I want to see? I want to see URL and the content database name, where it is. Let me run this command and see how it will look like when we work on SharePoint. Let me enter. Now it is going to give me all the URL. These many site collection I have created. Right? All the site collection you are able to see exactly. Amazon, Amazon 2, demo app, DNS demo, group demo, IBM Global, Molecule, PMO, security, SS demo, and so on. So it means that single line, in a single line, I am going to get all this information. Otherwise, what option I have? I will go to my central site administration, go to application management, click view all site collection, and then I am going to get this information. But this information is not complete. For example, in which application it is configured, in which database it is configured, So to get this information, I have to get one by one. Oh, this is configured in this database. What about this? This is configured in this database. But look at that, how easy for me and convenient for me when I exactly enter one single line and I am going to get multiple information. URL, content database, both. I can add multiple properties as well. Just for a simplicity, I use only these two commands, which is going to give me how many sites we have. Now remove this command. Let me remove this command. And I'm going to see how many web application I have. You say you have only one web application, which is going to say, which is going to say port 80. Correct, no? No here, no there, just single command. I am here only. Just I am running the command, and command, it is so simple for us. It is going to give me all the data which I am looking for. Now let's say for an example, I want to create a site collection. Let me to give a name. For example, site by command, a site by sale. So what I am exactly going now? New verb, same. What exactly I want? New SP site. Look at that. New SP site means new site collection. Get SP site means get list of all site collection. So simple. And then here I am going to define what exactly my site URL. So I say that I want, this is the way my site URL should come. Who is the owner? Because every site you must have an owner. I can define that it is MonoQ SP admin. Now which template means which site I want to see, which site I want to view. Team site, project site. So basically I am going to get all the information related to a template, where I can define that how I am going to create a site. What is my parameter? What is my list? Right? What is my template site? So for an example, when I go there and I say that I want to get the list of all template in a SharePoint. Get list of all template in SharePoint 2016 by command. You say that this is the command which is going to give you the list of all the template which is available in your SharePoint. And whatever the SharePoint value I want, whatever the SharePoint template I want, I can go and use that template. Means I want to use the site template or I want to use something else. So for an example, this specific template is basically related to my site template. Let me click this line and I'm going to call all my site template into this specific variable. I'm going to put this one, hit enter. It said that all done. Now I'm going to create my site collection using command prompt. I'm going to copy this command and I'm going to paste this command here. I already emailed these commands to you in your email. Look at that, what it is doing now. Now from the command prompt itself, I'm going to create site collection. What is the name of my site collection? Site by CMD. It said done. Can't believe so fast. I'm going to now check that whether exactly my site collection created or not. So I'm going to run the old command again. Now here I'm able to see I have my site collection CMD created. Let me to check here in a portal what it is showing that. Let me refresh that. So here we try. Still not appear. Say retry again. Able to see Monique?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, here I'm able to see site by CMD. Let's launch it in a browser and check because I have used a template. Yes, look at that. It created with the team site. Why? Because the template which I picked up is a team site template. So I get create my team site using a command prompt. Now let's do one thing. Let me to create certain folder here and I want to track the whole data. One, two, three. I created three folder. In a one, let me upload certain file because this is also my project. Upload one, upload two, go back. I'm going to three, upload here again. Here again, 2 also. Now Monique, what this customer require? Customer also require that how many files we have uploaded or folder we have created in this DMS. I want a report. Correct, huh? Because this customer also wants to track the inventory, that where I can check how many files has been uploaded, how many files has been created, how many folder we have, what is the total number of file and folders in my document management system, and even more, how many file and folder we have which need, which is approved, how many file and folder we have which is not approved, right? So what is the first way I can get this information? By using a command. So for an example, I'm going to run a command and I'm going to get the detail of everything which is part of this particular data. One single command, and I am going to get whole bunch of information. So let me say CLS. Let me type this one, hit enter. It's not showing that. Now go back to this particular folder or a site. When you go to site, click home.
I don't think this is very helpful.
Not helpful?
This section, no, because I'm not going to be using it. I don't have the access.
No, that is the reason
I
why
could,
I said not today, not today, not today, Monique.
I
But
know,
tomorrow.
but if I'm not going to be doing this for a few years, I'm not going to remember what we've done now.
All right. So now you are going to get no command. How you are going to get a report? Go to the site setting now. Click site setting, Monique. All right. Now in a site setting, especially when we are wants to check the report about my document or about my whatever the folder and a file I have uploaded to this specific site. How I'm going to get this whole feature which is related to my documents. What I'm going to do now, this is my document. Now in this document, let me to go to a specific site setting. Why I'm not going to get that? Hold on for a moment. I'm on a site. This is crazy. Let me to go down with the old site, okay? Hold on for a moment. Let me to close this one. Let me to go to anyone, demo app. Hit that one out. Oh, sorry. Because demo app is a app catalog. It's not a SharePoint site. Yes, wait, it's freezing. All right. Mhm. Able to see anywhere report? Not exactly.
Hmm?
Wait for a moment. Come to my library setting. We get something called generate file plan report. So when you click this one, it is going to generate a report for you about your DMS management. And this report you can get from your portal in Excel format. And this is exactly sometimes a report might be asked. I want to see, I want to see how many file we have, how many folder we have, what exactly my whole data. So look at that, it is going to give you every detail. How many file you have, how many folder you have, how many counts you have, whether this is, if you, even if you can go and configure that it is approved or not. So all these reports which customer need, because you see that this customer wants to maintain the inventory of their DMS system. How many file and folder is uploaded in my DMS? What is the way we have? We can get the data from command prompt also. We can get the data from SharePoint document library feature as well. So let's say for an example, in this old site where we have implemented everything there, just go to a document library and read the data. Go to the library setting. So we will go to library. We are going to a library setting, and then in a library setting, we are going to generate a file report. So what this feature is going to give me? A data which related to my DMS, how many server we have, how many folder we have, how many data we have. Everything you can go and get from this specific report. You can go the whole detail, whole bunch of detail which you need for your site to be viewed. So when I say this customer, when we are designing this project, except one feature which is called search engine or a search feature, we have everything configured now, right? Site, subsite, pages, content approval, approval workflow, slideshow app, security, plus also what the customer require, the document report. Perfect. So let's have a lunch break. I'm driving now, and when we reconnect, we are going to see the search feature in SharePoint. All right.
All right.
All right. So let's have a relax. Have your lunch. I'm going to drive now.
Safe travels.
Thank you. And see you from another laptop.
Yes.
This is something magical. Chalo, thank you. Bye.